Kap, saya kembali lagi di YouTube channel saya setelah 8.850 tahun tidak live streaming. Apakah penghuninya masih ada? Bentar. Aduh, ini kenapa lagi? The internet connection quality is currently not sufficient to broadcast gameplay. Ini sebenarnya lebih ke driller nih. Kenapa lagi wifi ini kali? Please jangan apa-apa dong. Tolonglah jangan apa-apa lah. Nah ini. Nah, ya saya hanya ingin ini sebenarnya game gratisan dari Epic Games, jadi saya hanya ingin bermain ini dan nyari konten TikTok sama konten YouTube Short. Sebenarnya saya juga kangen sama YouTube, jadi ya sudah, kayak tidak apa, saya kasih love dulu terus. Oke, nice, good luck. Let's go, mari kita mulai game Alan Wake remastered. Difficulty not oh, nightmare nggak bisa, cuk. Normal dulu aja ya.
Stephen King once wrote that nightmares exist.
Nah ini video commentary remaster aja, original remaster aja coba.
Outside of logic, and there's little fun to be had in explanations. They're antithetical to the poetry of fear. In a horror story, the victim keeps asking why, but there can be no explanation, and there shouldn't be one. The unanswered mystery is what stays with us the longest, and it's what we'll remember in the end. My name is Alan Wake. I'm a writer.
This is it, Alan Wake. Tolong di share, saya lagi nyari views. Tolong di share. Aduh, hilang lagi orang.
It was wild and dark and weird even by my standards. So yes, it began with a dream. Following a typical nightmare pattern, I was late, desperately trying to reach my destination, a lighthouse. For some urgent reason, I couldn't remember. I'd been driving too fast down a coastal road to get there.
Oh shit.
I'd seen the hitchhiker too late. He was dead. I was convinced they'd put me in jail and I would never see Alice again.
Nah, lo. Hilang orangnya, cuk.
Suddenly, his body was gone.
Episode 1.
I was in shock from the crash.
Nightmare.
I could hardly stand my feet.
Itu kayaknya lighthouse-nya. Kita mau.
Hello, this is Sam Lake.
Huh?
I'm the creative director of Remedy and the lead writer of original Alan Wake.
Okay.
Welcome to the commentary track of Alan Wake Remastered. I'm excited to talk about things that I kind of feel should not be talked about. You know, the unanswered mystery and all.
Unanswered mystery
I
katanya.
very much think that you own this now, this story, this experience, this game. You are free to find your own answers from it.
Okay.
Your own theories. You're free to love and hate the parts that you love and hate. Nothing I say makes any theory more official than another. It's just my theory, what I was thinking when I wrote it, but maybe I didn't see or know what it really was about. So, a spoiler alert is in order.
Oh bentar. Kayaknya ininya matiin aja. Video komentari disable saja. Anda tidak usah ngomong. Coffee thermos. Loh. Oh shit, jatuh dong. Kita kayak harus ke situ. Ini bisa diinteraksi? Nggak bisa. Rain Cove Point Lighthouse, oke. Berarti sini ya, benar. Kok jadi gitu? Alan Wake. Gimana cara zoom? Missing. Oh shit. Anjir, kaget kok. Apa itu, Cok? Siapa, boy? Hey. Anjir. Apa? Tolong. Lari, cepet. Shit. Aduh. Oh, no way. You can dodge enemy attack. Oke. Oh, gini. Try it again.
I realized that the hitchhiker was a character from the story of the Bible.
Buset ya, kok aku buka sendiri nih. Oh no. Ini apa sih maksudnya? No. Cabut. Aduh, capek. Oh shit. Cepat. Capek dia. This way. Oh, ada orang. Oh, cepetan. Tapi kayak game PS3 ya. Tutup sendiri tuh.
Oh no! Stop! No! Damn it, die! No!
Ow. No way. Shit.
I was trapped. There was no way out.
Ini apa? Anjir, mata. Kemana saya, Cok? Ini pintu. Oh shit. Kemana get out-nya, bro? Shit. No. Mana ini? Get keluarnya dari mana, Cok? Follow the light. Jump.
should go into the light. You are only safe there.
Oh, kalau ketemu lampu heal, nge-heal, oke.
I have something important to tell you. It goes like this. For he did not know that beyond the lake he called home lies a
Kayaknya ngomong.
deeper, darker ocean green, where waves are both wilder and more serene. To its ports I've been. To its ports I've been. Do you understand?
Bahasanya susah loh, Robi.
Follow my light. There's no time. I can only show you the most important thing. The hitchhiker has been taken over.
Pick up revolver ammo.
You can't hurt
Orang
him
nggak punya
now.
revolver, Anda kenapa
Only light
revolver
can drive the
ammo?
darkness away and make you vulnerable.
Saya tidak punya revolver, cok.
Here, take the light. Take the flashlight toward him and burn the darkness away. Still inside, controlling him. He can't be safe. He's still a threat. He's still your enemy. Here, take the gun.
Take the gun. Pick up. How to like? Ah. No. Oh. Okay.
Good. You've done well. Remember what I've taught you. That is all. I will give you back your dream now.
In the nightmare, a terrible darkness was taking over the world. The lighthouse was the last safe place on Earth.
Lah, deket kok. Apa nih game cuma follow the light. Oke. Kita pakai center nih. Jangan takut, bro. Ada kejahatan. Makan tuh. Oh shit. Dia masih hidup, bro. Dia masih hidup. Makan tuh ya. Ambil peluru dulu bentar. Nggak bisa ini, nggak bisa. Harus ambil peluru kita. Nice, ya. Kok suaranya creepy banget. Nggak ada yang nonton lagi, nggak ada yang nemenin gue. Oh shit, weh, jangan gitu dong. Sabar bro. Sabar. Makan tuh. Ntar lu ambil ammo dulu. Nggak bisa. Harus ambil ammo. Lihat aja, dua musuh 40 ammo. Hampir 40, 20 ammo. 20 peluru. Anjir, tiba-tiba keluar dua gitu, cok. Oke. Nice. Open. Flare gun mana? Oke. Ada lagi nih. Let's go, bro. Cabut. Cabut. Aduh, kena. Mampus. Apaan tuh ya? Nice. Let's go. Biar peluru gua habis dong kalau kayak gini ceritanya. Oh shit. Let's go. Oh iya ada sepa. Ego. Mana lagi? Dua biji nih. Sabar. Eits. Sabar. Cok. Peluru gua habis. Nyangkut. Aduh, anjir kok kena. Aduh, reload. Oke, belakangnya. Tinggal 8 anjir. Suruh gua. You can't stop me. Really? Tidur blok. Saya kangen sama YouTube, jadi gimana ya? Aduh, gak bisa naik lagi. Nggak ada peluru apa ini? Mana yang tadi ngomong-ngomong you can stop me? Lu lah hilang. You can't stop me. Sebenarnya nggak harus kita lawan semua ya, karena kayaknya ya teori gue doang. Apa itu, Cok? Cabut, lari. Terlalu easy bro buat saya tantangan kayak gini. Nah kan, ini udah nyampe lighthouse. Masa game gini doang? Baru episode 1 kan? Ada termos. Nggak tahu nih gue buat apaan, tapi ambil aja lah ya. Oh shit, makin deket. Nah, ini, masuk. Baat. Nice. Apa itu? Geter. Sepi amat ya, namanya baru streaming lagi ya, gimana? Subscriber gue aja berapa? 258. Pengen tidur. Tapi saya lagi nyari konten YouTube sama konten TikTok sama short nih. Makanya main game horror, Cok. Aduh, apa itu?
Baby, just another nightmare. Everything's fine. You dozed off.
Right. Anything more than dozed off would be worse for everyone.
Cheer up, handsome. We're here.
Anjir kayak game PS3 ini, Cok. Apa iya ya game PS3 ini? Di remastered. Ini yang film Alien bukan Alien. Enggak tahu Alien apaan, Cok. Belakang. Kayaknya bukan dah. Kereta api, kereta api, kereta api. Ih, mobil. Ini kapal
Let's
ceritanya.
act like we're on vacation. Go stand next to that old gentleman.
Film yang
I want a
alien
shot of you.
nyedot-nyedotin manusia, bukan.
Sure.
Itu apa
I'll
ya?
even give you a
Gue pernah
title for the
nonton.
shot. A city boy. Moments
Apa ya
before he
namanya
got
ya?
eaten by a bear.
Yang kayak gurita gitu kan? Ya nggak sih? Pose for Alice.
Alan, before he missed the shot.
Ya gue suruh ngapain aja? Pose di sini. Woi, ngapain gue? Halo, halo. Gue suruh pose, pose di mana bro? Sini.
Come on, Killjoy. For me, please. Pretty please. I'll make it up to you later on.
Apaan sih? Gue suruh ngapain nih? Di atas apa gimana sih? Nggak mungkin. Lu mau gue pose di mana?
Try to kill you. By the railing, next to the old mayor.
Oh. Astaga.
Hello there. You picked a good time to visit our town. Deerfest is just 2 weeks away.
Ya terus dibom kalian nih.
Hear that, honey?
Pernah nonton gue.
You have a lovely life. If you don't mind me saying. I'm Pat Maine, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm Alan Wake.
I won't pretend I don't recognize a famous writer such as yourself, Mr. Wake. A pleasure. I'm an avid reader myself. I hope this isn't too presumptuous of me, but I'm the night host of the local radio
Anjir bahasa
station.
Inggrisnya susah.
Any chance
Gue orang ngerti.
Look, Mr. Maine, I'm on vacation. In fact, I'd appreciate it if we could keep my being here just between the two of us. I'm sure you understand.
fair enough. You can trust me, Williams. Not a hard man to track down if you change your mind, but I hope you do have a remarkable
Hai. Hai. Alhamdulillah. Sep, share dong, Sep. Sharing. Ntar dapet apaan ya? Nggak dapet apa sih. Sharing. Driver balik anjir. Orang sepi banget ini.
Very nice. I got a couple of really good ones. So you made a friend. That's cute.
Right.
Telepon.
Yeah.
Halo.
Hey, bestseller, that's my favorite writer. Are you there yet?
Barry. Yeah, we just got it.
Are the locals giving you trouble? Just say the word and I'll hop on a plane and come make sure that you're left alone, Al.
No, Barry, we're fine.
Great. Just want to make sure you can relax and charge. So, how is the place? Has it got your creative juices flowing?
Barry, we're just settling in.
Suruh
Okay,
dia
Al.
nonton.
I'll call back later to make sure you're doing okay. And you call
Thank
me if
you.
there's a problem, okay? Okay. Just looking out for you, buddy. Talk to you later.
I love you too, Barry.
You know he's going to be calling you every 5 minutes.
Barry is Barry. I can always turn off the phone.
What did I tell you?
Ngapain lagi dia?
Text message from Barry. He says hi to you too.
Alan, we're here. Come on, let's get back to the car.
Ini dia gitu gimana sih? Hah? Let's get back to the car.
We need to stop
Hoi
at the local
hoi.
diner to
Apa
get
nih?
the cabin key for the
Assalamualaikum.
room. And
Ada.
Mr. Carl
Lu
stepped
oi
in.
PA.
He's waiting for us.
Lu kan oi.
I'll go fill her up while you get the key. I'll pick you up here in, say, 15 minutes.
Sure.
Alan, thank you for coming here with me.
I love you too. Go on. I'll promise to behave.
Bar. Restoran.
There are still places like this. Towns where everybody knew everybody.
Welcome to the Oh Dear Diner.
I was wondering if you could help me. I'm looking for...
Mr. Wake. Alan Wake. Oh, God! I am your biggest fan. I know people say that all the time, but I really am.
I'm glad to hear that.
Rose.
Rose, I'm looking for Mr. Stuckey. Carl Stuckey?
Carl? Of course, Mr. Wake. He must have gone to visit the restroom. He'll be back in a moment. I can't believe it. I've got all your books.
Find Carl
I got the cutout from the bookstore
Stuckey.
when they took it out of the window.
Ya, shh, diam.
And you keep it here. Well, okay. Good for you.
Carl Stuckey. Ini apa nih?
Try the coffee. Just don't blame me when you fall in love, because it'll break your heart when you have to leave.
Rusty here is no longer human. Nothing but black coffee under a thin layer.
Do me a favor, Sonny. I
Funny.
can really use a tune right now. Coconut, number 6 in the jukebox. I'd do it myself, but both of my legs have gone to sleep.
Iya tuh, iya, udah shh, diam.
Are you
Tuh.
serious? Coconut again? You disgust me. Call yourself a rocker.
Mata gua ngapa ya? Yang sebelah kiri kayak sakit ya.
Does that get
Tok.
stuck?
Apa kurang lihat Malia kali ya? Biarin aja cow, biarin aja. Ini udah jejak digital. PA banget emang orang. Jejak digital.
The lime in the coconut, drink 'em both up.
Coba kita matiin.
We're brothers. Don't think I won't murder you in your sleep.
Oh enggak deh. Kirain matiin.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Ya slow bro, gua hapus. Lah, slow saya udah gua SS ya gua. Duh,
I didn't
gelap
want to wait.
lagi.
I wanted to find Stuckey, to get the key and get out as soon as possible. The waitress was
Toilet.
giving me a headache. Overeager fans always did.
Tapi kan kenangan-kenangan juga sebelum gua dapetin orangnya. Iya. Siap. Apaan sini? Gue suruh mana? Ini kunci. Sini. Knock. Halo. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Nanti kan bisa ditunjukin nih. Aku pernah chat kayak gitu tahu dulu. Oke.
But I have the key for you and instructions on how to get to the lake.
Okay.
I wish you a good stay in the cabin. I'll come by later to check how you've settled in. And to meet your wife. I insist.
Thanks.
Danau.
Cauldron Lake is a special place. Very inspiring.
Cauldron Lake apa namanya tadi? Ini ibu-ibu ngapain? Ya udah kalau lu takut ya udah Bu.
You can hurt yourself in the dark.
This will be fixed.
Even that sounds better than your singing.
Are you alright?
Splendid. Damn hernia. It swells up my
Sep tapi lu ya kan? Iya apaan? Soalnya kemarin dia bilang iya insyaallah. Gak apa Sep. Nah lu apa tuh? Up to
Good to see you.
The Andersons, they're local
apa
musicians.
tuh?
Dr. Hartman to come pick them up.
Iya insyaallah. Apa bangke?
Cauldron Lake Lodge.
Santai dong santai. Fokus dulu sama tujuan. Apa tuh?
Mr. Wake.
Konteksnya apa nih?
I had the keys. Alice was outside. I didn't want to keep her waiting.
I hope you enjoy your stay in
Fokus dulu sama tujuan apa nih? Teror vertigo kayak Robby.
my
Ego jangan gitu.
I got some flashlights, just in case.
Hey, wait! Mrs. Wake! Your keys!
Tinggalan kuncinya ya
That diner
ampun.
was a real nut house.
Maksud
Can you
parah
believe
banget emang
this place?
Sepa jempolnya jahat banget gila.
We're supposed to be on vacation, Alice.
Biasaan
I'll
emang.
figure it out when we get back home. Okay?
Okay, we can talk about this later.
I didn't want to talk about it. I wanted to bury my head in
Siapa tuh?
sand. Once upon a time,
Lu yang
I
maksud.
was a successful writer.
Oh
but that
bang,
was a long
halo
time ago.
RMZZ.
I
Siapa
haven't
RMZZ
read a
ya?
word in 2
Moderator
years.
sih dia.
Not since my last book.
Iya. Udah lama saya tidak live streaming untuk Ramzi. Nggak tahu saya. Ya maksudnya teroverthinking gara-gara pernyataan dia. Aduh, copyright nggak ya? Halo. Astaga, ada lagunya lagi. ABCDFG bang, ganti nama. Oh iya iya ya. Nah, tahu. Here we go, here we are. Di verse apa
It's
itu?
gorgeous out.
Nggak tahu ah.
It's something, all right. Don't worry. I'll get you inside safe and sound before
Sumpah
we
ini
start.
PS3 kalau kayak gini udah bagus banget.
Alice had a phobia.
PS4 mah biasa. Kepencet.
Fear of darkness. I wanted to make sure we were inside with the lights on before sunset.
You forget the key. Go to the cabin.
The island had once been the site for a love story. Maybe it would be that again.
Ada apa di sini? Kita explore dulu guys. Oh, belum bisa. Oke, nggak bisa. Apa bisa nggak? Oh, nggak bisa. Oke. Dari mana ini gue masuk? Dari depan nggak bisa nih.
It's dark in there.
Bisa di PA banget.
A shoebox filled with books by Thomas Zane sat on the shelf. I'd never heard of him before.
Hello? Anyone here?
Nggak ada lah. Wah enak banget Pak, rumah kayak gini. Aduh. Enak banget rumah kayak gini ya di danau. Aduh ya ampun. Pengen banget saya rumah kayak gini. Turn on. Lu tiba-tiba baterainya jadi 0. Tadi 5. Coffee thermos, ambil. Gimana cara nyalain lampunya? Oh, naik dulu kita yuk. Gelap wih.
For a
Hello.
moment, the oppressive feel of the nightmare I had seen on the ferry returned.
No way. Anjir kaget gua. Sumpah. Siapa itu cuk
I
ibu-ibu?
needed to get the power running in the cabin. There had to be a fuse box or a generator somewhere on the island. The cabin looked like a time capsule from the 60s, or even earlier.
Yang tadi bener generator. Yang ngasih yang kita temuin di tadi. Maksud dari cewek bilangnya maksud dari cewek bilangnya gua itu apa bang? Hah? Apakah ada maksud tersendiri ya panik tuh? Gimana ya, namanya orang kaget. Gue sama aja sih, tergantung orangnya doang ya nggak. Langsung tanya ke cewek aja bro, jangan tanya saya nggak ngerti. Ini ya pintunya ya, ini pintunya wih. Ini kan generator kan, ini kan tuh kemana? Oh ini pintunya.
An old generator had been connected to the power cable.
Easy bro. Anjir, tapi listriknya pakai generator ya, boros juga.
Okay, I'll look around a bit.
Sure thing. Have fun.
FIFA udah tamat kah bang? FIFA nggak bakal tamat, cuma
I told myself I could rest here, sleep here, and forget about my work.
gimana ya FIFA ya?
I thought we could be happy here.
FIFA udah nggak laku bro, makanya saya stop. Return to Alice. Mana Alice? Karena FIFA gue masih 22, coba udah FC 24 gitu.
Alice? Honey?
Halo? Alice?
I'm upstairs. I have a surprise for you.
Oke. Ini.
Well, hello there.
I'm not the surprise. It's in the study. Go take a look.
Okay.
Go to the study.
Surprise!
What is this?
Typewriter.
I thought maybe you could write here that a change of scenery would get you past.
Alice, everyone
Hey, just hear me out. There's a local doctor, Dr. Hartman. I read a book of his. He has a private clinic here. He specializes in helping artists.
So now you want to get me committed?
No, it's not like that. That's not... Alan? Alan?
No way.
Just don't. I don't want to hear it. God damn it, Alice. God damn it.
I knew she wouldn't follow me in the dark. I needed some time alone to think things through.
Ngantuk gue ya.
Alice?
No way.
Alice! Cabin had gone dark. All the lights were out.
Alice, I'm coming.
Shit. Oh shit.
What the hell?
Dia kecapean.
Alice? Alice? Oh no!
Keep going, Alan.
Alice?
Waking up in the crashed car felt like I had woken from one nightmare and entered another. I couldn't remember how I got there, All I knew was that something terrible had happened to Alice. The phone was dead. I'd have to find help on foot.
Episode 2 kah ini? Kalau udah episode 2 sih udah.
Among Alice's things was a book, The Creator's Dilemma, by a Dr.
Creator's
Hartman.
Dilemma.
Seeing the book brought back my fight with Alice. I didn't like it, and I didn't like the guy's smug face on the cover either. The gas station was my best bet. They'd have a phone I could use. It looked like a long hike through the forest to get there. Damn.
Waduh, mobilnya jatuh, bro. Halo. Apa nih Arka nih? Aduh. Gimana ya? Saya lagi nyari konten TikTok sama short.
I was named the author. I hadn't written it. I couldn't remember writing it. In the scene on the page, the hero was attacked by an axe murderer in the woods at night.
Ngantuk gue ya. Shit.
Anybody there? Please, I've been in an accident.
The lights up ahead were a good sign. Maybe I wouldn't have to hike all the way down to the gas station to find a phone.
Bang, gue udah punya pacar. Gimana? Rasanya gimana, bro? Bisa kalah saya ini Amanda.
Anybody there? Please, I've been in an accident. Hey!
Hey, shit, kaget
Hey,
gua.
you! There's been an accident. I need help.
Listen, I need to... cabins for rent in... Oh, hell. Carl Stuckey. Pleased to meet you. Non-refundable reservation deposit required.
Biar bisa jejak mabar, aduh. Cari cewek bang, biar bisa jejak mabar. Astaga. Tutorin. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's a long way down.
Departure by Alan Wake. The Taken stood before me.
Good. Lari, udah.
I had to figure a way out of this. Any second now, and Stucky would be knocking on the door with his axe like Nicholson in The Shining.
Nah, ini dia kombinasi kita. Revolver dan juga center. Baterai. Gue doang yang bertahan. Apa? Nonton.
Yes.
Bright Falls Sheriff Station.
Hello? Hello?
This is bad.
Oh no, oh no, oh shit, oh shit. Ngapain dia? Gimana, Cok?
The bulldozer had gone over the cliff with the office. I hoped Stucky had suffered the same fate, but I wasn't planning on staying to find out.
Bentar. Gimana ya? DC lu masih aktif, masih ada kadang teman-teman saya pakai DC. Masih kok. Let's go, here we go, bro. Jangan sila. Lain lu. Ajar kena juga. Wih, kena wih. Kira-kira bro. Gua kena lagi. Weh. Ya Allah, mati. Oke, sabar. Fokus dulu. Terus. Let's go, sini lu semua. Waduh. Bantu. Aduh, reload.
I'd never fired a gun outside a shooting range, and now I just killed someone. Or something. There were no bodies. They just disappeared. If I was dreaming, it felt real enough to make me sick. The dark forest was the last place I wanted to go, but I had no choice. I had to get to the gas station.
No way. Ya, anjir. Habis lu. Peluru gue tinggal 2.
When I saw the river below, something uncoiled itself inside my head. I realized that I'd have to find a way across. I didn't even want to look at the water.
Ada kasur sih ya? Oh itu tuh ada something. Nice. Anjir. Beneran kaget sumpah itu.
Stucky was still out there, in the dark, stalking me.
Nice. Set baterai gua 10. Oh no. Oh, lempar Anda ya, ngelempar Anda. Ngelempar Anda ya. Begitu mainnya sekarang. Oke. Kalau gitu cara main lu jual gua beli. Pasti ada lagi nih.
The staircase was broken. I had to make my way up some other way.
Nice. Lithium baterai 13.
There was no power. There was bound to be a generator somewhere at the logging site.
Oh itu deh generator. Oh shit. Wey bro, jangan lempar-lempar gitulah. Oh shit. Anjir gak bisa untuk. Wait. Anjir merinding gua. Anjir
All
lah.
this forestry equipment around, there had to be something I could use to reach the top.
Dia asma sih ya, bagaimana? Shotgun. Nice. Ada pelurunya apa shotgun? 2. Let's go. Nah. Oke. Nice. Nice one. Let's go. Nice.
Well, I was just outside for a breath of fresh air, and what a night. I know most of you are probably in your beds by now.
The gas station was closer now, its light welcoming in the darkness.
Coffee thermos. Oh shit. Oh shit, kaget gua. Ya Allah, 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 ya Allah. Tolong, tolong kejepit. Tolong jangan gitu dong. Woi, jangan gitu dong, woi. Santai woi. Mati nih gua. Kan. Wah, anjir. Merinding ya main beginian ya, astaga. Merinding loh main begini. Ada aja. Lagi nyalain generator tiba-tiba dihajar 3 biji, astaga.
The gas station was closer now, its light welcoming in the darkness.
Mana dong sini muncul dong. Belakang gua bro. Lu muncul kayak gitu. Nggak boleh lu kayak gitu, pelanggaran lu. Mati lu sekarang. Aduh anjir. 3. Tuh. Kalangan woi. Woi, kalangan woi. Kejepit sumpah. Oh shit, no. Wait. Gua kejepit dah di situ dah. Apaan sih, astaga, kejepit di situ, bro.
The gas station was closer now, its light welcoming in the darkness.
Mana sih lu pada? Jadi gitulah mainnya lah. Buset tuh tiba-tiba di belakang anjir. Wih, tiba-tiba ngelempar. Apaan ini lempar? Oh shit. Gila lu. Anda bisa aja. Aduh anjir kena. Aman tuh. Mana sini tadi yang muncul dari belakang? Astaga. Terus. Lah nggak ada yang muncul. Kok nggak ada yang muncul dari belakang, Bre? Astaga, tadi pada ngapain? Nah lo, wih, gue dilempar. Wah, gak, wih, 3 biji, 4 biji, si parah, tar dulu, gue ke cahaya dulu ya. Wih, santai dong, wih, tar dulu dong. Aduh, anjir, apaan sih? Sumpah. Tolonglah, tiba-tiba 4 biji, gila kali lu. Sayuk, seger lagi nih, gue nggak ngantuk nih. Ya, kita lari ke belakang. Bodoh amat. Wah, jadi cepet banget deh. Cepet banget deh. Cok, cepet banget. Bodo amat nih base gua, lu nggak bisa kesini kan? Mamam lu. Mana semua? Hilang. Mana semua sini lu? Ah, tuh begitu. Tuh, wah. Kanan gua. Wih, kanan gua banyak banget. 3 biji. Tolong. Anjir. Sabar dulu, kita main aman dulu, santai. Mana lu semua sini? Keluar lu semua. Halo. Wih. Kita atu ya guys. Anjir, reload. Waduh, kena lagi. Kan tuh sebenarnya. Kan tuh. Buset, dia masih ada lagi. Kagak kelar. Tuh, wah. Tinggal 2 peluru gua. Habis. Lu shotgun. Aduh, nggak ada lagi bro. Low ammo. It's a long way down. Buset, dari belakang ada lagi. Nggak kelar anjir ini. Nggak ada peluru weh. Ngapain lu? Iya. Nggak ada peluru, woy. Tolong woi. Atas. Harus klik. Ini dia. Semoga nggak ada lagi. Checkpoint ya. Ada emergency ini untung. Nice, revolver ammo, baterai, nice. Reload. Kita ke bawah ke atas ya? Ke atas dulu dah. Oke, tapi sih kita harus ke bawah kayaknya. Cek dulu nih atasnya ada apa nih. Nah, lu ada panah kan? Nah, lu ini apa nih?
Blurry hand-painted graffiti was revealed by my flashlight. Someone had hidden a chest of supplies near it.
Flare gun. Nice. Flare gun. Kaget gua, burung. Apa nih belok sini? Nah, ini apa lagi? Oh shit, di belakang banyak, ada 3 bro, ada 3. Makan tuh semua. Makan tuh flashlight. Flashlight, flare gun. Instant kill. Assalamualaikum. Nice. TV.
Science. It bestows immortality on those who advance it to elevate all of mankind.
Instant. Second. Blah blah blah. AIDS ada manuskrip. Alhamdulillah. Muncul lagi nih makhluk-makhluk yang tidak diinginkan untuk muncul nih. Let's go. Sini. Sini lu. Oh shit. Sini lu semua lu. Giliran lu ya. Kiri gua ada. Kan. Kok ada yang cepet gitu weh. Gimana ya itu ya, banyak banget. Apaan sih? Aja. Ayolah. Gue bawa ke sini aja ya. Wih, dari belakang bro, asasinan dia. Mau ngadu lu sama gua. Gua kasih center lu. Buset deh. Mana dia woi? Jangan gitu lah woi. Majulah sini, gentle dikit. Nah lo kan. Bosnya nih. No way. Reload. Reload. Buset bosnya nih. Nice. Tuh. Jadi seger lagi tadi ngantuk loh, astaga, sampai kaget-kaget. Let's go. Pom bensin.
I recognized the parade float I had seen in Bright Falls when I first arrived with Alice.
Mana? Gimana cara? Aja. Apaan? Apaan tuh? Sini.
After the insanity I had just experienced in the darkness, the lights of the gas station felt comforting. At least for a moment, the sane world reasserted itself.
Alright.
The Deer Fest had been 2 weeks away when we arrived. If the day count on the banner was right, I was missing a whole week between the night we got here and now. The garage was a mess. It looked like someone had trashed the place, or that there'd been some kind of fight.
Alright.
Shit.
I'll keep writing. Outside there's only darkness. Outside the cabin, outside the store, there's only darkness. I can feel the presence in the dark. Just now, I could smell the perfume in the room.
Alan ya?
Fix it. I'll bring her back. The story won't come true. If I stop, she's lost.
I don't believe this. It'd been me on the TV, talking crazy. Was I losing my mind?
Sheriff Station.
Oke, sudah.
Thank God, Sheriff.
Sheriff Sarah Breaker. You are...
I'm Alan Wake, but listen. I was in a car crash. My wife, Alice, she's missing.
Calm down.
We were staying in a cabin on the island, on Cauldron Lake.
There's no island on Cauldron Lake. Not since the big eruption in the 70s.
Please, I can take you there, okay?
You look like you've taken a pretty bad knock to the head. Are you okay?
Listen.
We'll figure this out. Please get in the car. We'll swing by the lake and then we'll go to the station, okay? Mr. Wake, have you seen Stucky, the guy who owns this place?
I realized I couldn't tell her what had happened in the forest. She wouldn't have believed me. And then she wouldn't have helped me with Alice.
Gak ada bro, nggak ada yang namanya apa namanya rumah yang kemarin dia kecelakaan. Lo baru episode 1 kan ini, end of episode 1. Kayak series ya. Ding copyright skip. Oke, sudah. Oke, baik. Sepertinya itu dulu streaming kita hari ini. Jadi besok streaming lagi. Apakah besok streaming lagi? Sepertinya ya, semoga saja streaming lagi ya. Oke, sampai jumpa di streaming selanjutnya. Oke, bye bye.